Are you having trouble getting your child to clean their teeth properly? Getting a little frustrated because you don't really know how to check? Well, this video will work well for both of you. Let me explain. The dental plaque that causes tooth decay is difficult to spot, so we use Disclosing tablets, and we've used them for over 40 years. It's just a little bit messy, so you have to be careful. Get your child to chew the tablet for about a minute, rubbing the tongue around the outside and inside of all their teeth, and then get them to have a quick rinse into the sink. Mix it up a bit. You can do it before they clean their teeth and ask them to get rid of all the bugs, or basically do it after they've cleaned the teeth, and you can show them where they've missed. And that is it, show them. These inexpensive mirrors help to show where children often miss cleaning their teeth, and also you can take a photo just to make it fun for them. And in a month's time you can show them, hopefully, that they've improved. Just set monthly reminders in the app. Make it fun. This is a great product because when the child spits out the excess, it looks like slime. It seems more scientific when you shine a little blue light over the teeth. The Oral Health Foundation is a very good resource, and you can actually buy your Disclosing tablets and packs here. So you may have found this video via the dental app, but there is a YouTube channel which I keep updating with videos. We are all aware that prevention is better than cure, and I hope you share this video or the app to help do this.